No, it's just me and you, cat. So what the cat does, it runs and hides. Oh, no, it's there. Hello. Hello, Flo. Or cat, as I call you. Oh, okay. Going for a poop. Wait. That's a sign of respect right there, just going for a poop mid-talk. I did that with Ben once. He was mid-sentence. Very meaningful conversation. I was just like, hey, you know what? You can follow me into the toilet, or you can wait for a second because I need poop. I love how it just looks at me. Oh, okay, cleans it up as well. Oh, spills a bit. Hello, oh, don't shit yourself. Get what I just said? No, don't eat my chocolate yogurt. Don't be scared. Look at its blue eyes. There's my blue eyes. Look at it. No, don't be scared of it. Oh my god. That's one scatty cat. Scatty ass cat. I love my sister's choice of TV. Disney Channel. Oh. Look at the cats be scatting. Scatting. Crapping itself, running around like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. Goodbye.